Why are rock bursts dangerous in deep mines? Imagine standing inside a mountain that is thousands of meters underground, feeling the ground tremble unexpectedly. That's what miners face in the deepest mines on Earth. These mines go down more than 4 kilometers below the surface, making them some of the tallest engineering feats ever built. But with such incredible depth comes serious risks. One of the most dangerous hazards is something called a rock burst. A rock burst happens when the rock around a mine suddenly fails because it is under enormous stress. The pressure on the rock increases as you go deeper, mainly because of the weight of all the layers of earth above. When miners create tunnels and shafts, they change how stress is distributed in the rock. Sometimes, this causes the stress to concentrate in certain spots, especially around the new openings. If the stress becomes too high, the rock can break suddenly and violently. This sudden failure releases a huge amount of stored energy in a flash. Think of it like a giant spring that suddenly snaps. When this spring releases its energy, it causes an explosion of rock fragments, ground tremors, and even rock ejections. These ejections can be hundreds of tons of rock flying through the air, which can crush anything in its path. It's like a mini earthquake happening inside the mine. The damage from a rock burst can be devastating. It can block off tunnels, break support beams, and cause parts of the mine to collapse. This not only puts miners in danger but also halts mining operations, which can be very costly. The tremors caused by these bursts can also trigger more bursts nearby, making the situation worse. In the deepest mines, such as those in South Africa, the risk is even higher. These mines reach depths of over 5 kilometers, where the pressure is so intense that rock bursts happen more often and with greater force. The geology of these areas often includes faults and fractures, which make stress buildup even more unpredictable. To stay safe, mining companies use special techniques. They monitor the stress levels constantly, reinforce tunnels with strong support systems, and sometimes pause mining to let the stress settle. These efforts are vital because they protect miners and help keep these incredible engineering projects safe. So, in the end, rock bursts are dangerous because they release massive amounts of energy suddenly, causing destruction and risking lives. The deeper the mine, the more intense the risk, making it one of the biggest challenges in mining history.